Made it to Canada. We gotta shout out Randy, dude. Randy taught me how to split the G in Ireland, so now we're teaching the boys. All right, you guys good? Fresh off the plane, and we made it to the LZ World Tour in Canada. So first stop is Vibrant Performance. They're having a party at their actual headquarters, and we're here, dude. So I wanted to intro this video with a hello. We made it to Canada. The team made it through the border. They got stopped and searched. Bailey and I flew in, and we made it. And this is the first pre-meet that then will run into the main event this weekend. And we're gonna have a good time. Let's see what's up with this car meet. Tell me something about this.
Okay, let's talk about it. T6 Corvette, 2010, I believe. We got it as a bare chassis. Stripped it down to nothing, did a 35-part build series, and this is the result. We have everything, probably 700 prototype parts. I don't know if this is too close. No, it's good.
We're fisheyeing out here.
Fisheye lens. Yeah. We've got all the things that you could possibly think of that you'd want on a race car: nitrous, EGTs for individual pore measuring, dry sump system, crazy angle kit, everything built by me. So check it out. It's all carbon Kevlar, everything's super light. This car is 300 pounds lighter than my S14, which I'm sure a lot of these guys have seen. And it's got a lot of cool parts. So I'll open up the door for you. Here, I'll shine a light on it for you.
How was testing?
Everything's really good. For like a first test, like I can't really complain. Like for how many parts are on this that I have no idea if they're gonna work or not, I have a pretty good idea, but it worked really well. Inside, it's all carbon fiber, a lot of carbon fiber. The cage was done by us, the firewall, all the little touches, all the little things.
You got a window!
Dude, you need a window.
The bulkheads, I always fucking hate when you can't see out.
Yeah. So
I gotta do that.
So this is a Target top still. This roof comes off, which is perfect for, you know, my height. Getting out of the trailer too, super easy. Take the roof off, step right out. In the back, we've got the back here. We've got our winner's quick change. Color coordinated. Again, lots of carbon fiber. The details, the logo, the little window here. Some nitrous. Rear rad, dual bash bars.
Damn.
And a very custom suspension.
So stoked, man. And then we're gonna be actually going to FDF on Monday. So we're gonna check their whole shop out, and then we're moving over to a private track day. So Josiah and I can tandem.
Yeah, we're gonna tandem at my local track. It is a very exciting track, high speed corners, lots of close tandems. You can open her up in American miles, I guess. You could probably get close to 100-mile-an-hour drifts, so it's gonna be fun.
And shout out to Austin and 144 for the livery, dude.
With that weed, no doubt indeed.
Yeah, so today is qualifying. Top 13, we don't drive tonight. So we get 2 practice sessions, and then we'll move into a smooth qualifying run. Hopefully we land somewhere in the top 5s, and then
we'll be there for sure.
That'll set us up for the main day on Sunday. But yeah, dude.
We got what's it called? Who's that dude off Star Wars? Not R2-D2. What's the golden dude?
Oh yeah,
C-3PO.
There it is.
We got C-3PO in the driver's seat today. Actually this whole weekend, so he's just gonna drive like a robot and just do 100-point qualifying runs.
That's right. Adrian keeps saying, you're like a robot out there.
Time to clock in, Adrian.
Oh shit.
You're our designated trophy builder.
Hey, what do you want though?
Viper chair.
Viper chair, coming soon.
James X Adrian on it.
Yes, embroidered.
Yeah,
Actually, I have to send it to 144 to get it embroidered for me, right?
He keeps saying, all I want's a Viper chair.
Oh, we got him. It's coming for Christmas.
Hell yeah. Can you take any guesses?
What is it?
32 ounce flint glass Boston round. Wow. Any guesses? Right?
Yeah,
definitely a skate tag. God, it's a sharp ass knife, dude.
Yeah. What we got?
Oh man,
We got foam.
got foam.
Damn. That's so cool.
Look at this thing, dude. He like painted it to look worn, right?
That is so good. Who did that?
PBK, the one that does the helmets.
Wow.
Yeah. Thanks, Patrick.
So
It's sick how it
good.
looks worn. It's like
Yeah.
Patrick, hit me up. Hit me up, Patrick. Let me get one.
Tag me, tag me.
Tag me. Still fucking around, Tito. Trying different tire pressure settings now. So basically we haven't qualified yet. We're still just dialing in line. And now we're getting some tandem in, like some good practice. So I want to try to basically put a little grip in the car and see if I can keep up with the dudes. Feel buttery and flowy, which is what we want for qualifying. But yeah, we're having some fun tandem out there and I just want to like run over people. Chaos today, dude, chaos. So qualifying, we qualified 6th. My first run was pretty chill, right? Just like a normal run. A lot of times on your first run, you wanna just like get through it. Second run went too hard in the last turn and spun out. So yeah, we qualified 6th and that was that, dude. Now we're gonna eat some pizza, see how everyone's doing, move on with things. We gotta do the review, the 1 through 10.
Cheese is good. Sauce is maybe like a 6, but I'd give it a solid 7 on 10.
You gonna get a pizza review?
I need it. Oh, what the fuck is this?
A 1 through 10, first bite.
I'm from Connecticut, so I'm like a
Be
pizza
honest, dude.
a pizza priss. So it's like gas station pizza, but I like the size of it. It's good, like gathering pizza. Okay, you know, one bite, you know the rule. School cafeteria pizza. Two. But I've never been so fucking hungry in my life, so this thing's a 10 right now.
Pizza review. 4.7.
Tito doing? Tito. It's way too early. All right, progress on the day. Losing my voice because we're having too much fun out here. We just got done with the like autograph signing with Grant and Jason from Keep It Reet. But yeah, dude, so good times. Now we're on to the top 16. This is the actual main event. So it's time to let this car eat. Dude, I already blew the front wheels off this thing. So there's not much that I'm scared of. I got the track dialed in. So now it's all about timing, consistency, and smiling under that helmet. You know what I mean?
Yo, can I pay you to lose?
Come on, Duarte, how much you got?
Let's go, baby.
My first battle in the top 16 is Duarte.
We're bringing the heat.
Come on. I don't know. Have we ever really battled?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so
Maybe
either, dude.
practice, but first battle.
Yeah.
Be sick.
Let's do
Be
it.
sick.
He's already trying to buy me out, man.
Right, let's go.
Yeah, I don't think I got one. I don't think I got a chase like that yet this weekend. So I feel like I turned it on when I needed to right there. I got blasted by sand. This whole car. Oh my god. Alright, let's go. We gotta keep going. debeated going into outer 5. I'm assuming that's why I lost that one. Tommy got me. Now I'm back in the cabin for a 3rd place battle with Adam LZ. So let's see how this goes. He's been on one, but I'm on one. All right, let's go. Yeah, and a tire. Tito.
What's up, man?
It's over. We got 4th place overall, LZ World Tour. We're doing pretty good at these things, man. That was fun. Yeah, I gotta look back at the tape with the Tommy battle. So I battled Tommy, and going into that turn 5, I debeated. I know I was deep, and I think I just went off track a little bit and caught it. And as soon as that happened, my whole car, I felt like I lost my wheel. Like I was like, and I was like, dude, something's super wrong. So I don't think I crossed the finish line in drift. Like I think my shit straightened.
Yeah.
So yeah, that got us on to the 3rd place battle. Like we had lost to Tommy and then we were on to Adam, and I just did not have enough grip in the car. As soon as I entered in, going into turn 2, we both got on throttle and he was like, later. And I was like, it's over. Then I did a fun lead and he was on my door everywhere. It was cool and I had fun. Thank you, Canada. I lost my voice. So from here, we're gonna go to FTF. We're gonna go up north a little bit, check out Josiah's shop and drift a little bit more. See y'all soon.
Look at this guy.
Lee.
Oh, so you're gonna go up there, huh?
I can't believe
so I
you-
get another chance, huh?
I can't believe you brought me a beer, dude.
Oh, yeah, of course. Why not? Yeah, it's beer 30 anyways. We done driving.
Hell yeah.
Game time.
Moosehead.